Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email address on Twitch if you have not done so already. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account, proceed forward with your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you can watch various different live streams right from the homepage. Now, if you have not verified your email address, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on account settings. Now within the account settings page, tap on security and privacy and then tap on your email. If you have not verified your email, alongside your email address you will see unverified. When you tap on this, you will see the verify email button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. Just check within the inbox of your login email address for Twitch and you will find this verification code. Once you enter the verification code within the given box, click on the verify button and now your email address will be verified on your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your email address on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.